welcome back to AMG Cloud. In this video, we are going to discuss about some questions of the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam, and we are going to solve 5 questions related to this exam. Before proceeding with the questions, I want you to please like this video. This will motivate me to create more of these kind of practice questions for you people so that you can ace your exam. So the first question is, an electronic design automation, which is EDA application, produces massive volumes of data that can be divided into 2 categories. The hot data needs to be both processed and stored quickly in a parallel and distributed fashion. The cold data needs to be kept for reference with quick access for reads and updates at low cost. Which of the following AWS services is best suited to accelerate the aforementioned chip design process? So you have 4 options. This is option 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have 10 seconds time to answer this question. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers to find out the correct answer. So option 1, which is AWS Glue. So it is a data integration service which is not suitable for high performance storage and processing. Okay, so this is your first wrong answer. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server is a file server for Windows based applications, not designed for high performance chip design processes. So this also goes under the wrong answer. Amazon EMR, third option, is a big data processing service but not a specifically designed one for high performance storage and processing like Amazon FSx for Lustre. Okay, finally we come to the option Amazon FSx for Lustre, which is a high performance file system that can handle large amounts of data and support parallel processing, making it suitable for hot data. And Amazon FSx for Lustre also supports cost effective storage for cold data with quick access for reads and updates. Okay, so with this we come to a conclusion that Amazon FSx for Lustre is the correct answer, which is option 4. Right? Yes. So next question. To improve the performance and security of the application, the engineering team at a company has created a CloudFront distribution with an application load balancer as the custom origin. The team has also set up a web application firewall WAF with CloudFront distribution. The security team at the company has noticed a surge in malicious attacks from a specific IP address to steal sensitive data stored on the EC2 instances. As a solutions architect, which of the following actions would you recommend to stop the attacks? So you have 4 options. This is your option 1, this your option 2, this is your option 3, this is your option 4. Go through the options and your timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, which is create a deny rule for the malicious IP in the security groups associated with each of these instances. Now see, security groups control traffic to EC2 instances but would require updating each instance's security group, which can be time consuming and error prone. Okay, so this is your wrong answer. Okay, option 3, create a deny rule for the malicious IP in the NACL associated with each of these instances. So see, network access control lists, which is NACLs, control traffic at the subnet level but are stateless and can't detect malicious traffic patterns like WAF can. Okay, so this is not the correct answer. Option 4, which is create a ticket with AWS support to take action against the malicious IP. So see, creating a ticket with AWS support wouldn't directly address the issue, as AWS support can't block the IP addresses on behalf of the customer. Okay. So this is also your wrong answer. Option 2, create an IP match condition in the WAF to block the malicious IP address. So creating an IP match condition in the WAF is the most effective way to block the malicious IP address, as it can filter traffic at edge before it reaches the EC2 instances. Okay, so this is why at the end option number 2 is the correct answer. Next question, a company is looking for an orchestration solution to manage a workflow that uses AWS Glue and Amazon Lambda to process data on its S3 based data lake. As a solutions architect, which of the following AWS services involves the least development effort for this use case? So you have 4 options. This is option 1, EMR. This is option 2, SWF. This is your option 3, which is AWS batch, and option 4 is this one. Okay. Now you have 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Your option 1, which is Amazon EMR, is a big data processing service that requires more setup and configuration. Okay, so this is your wrong answer. Option 2, which is Amazon Simple Workflow Service, SWF, is a more complex workflow service that requires a custom code and development effort. Okay, so this is also a wrong answer. Option 3, which is AWS batch. Okay, it is a batch processing service that's not ideal for workflows involving AWS Glue and Lambda. Okay, so this is also your wrong answer. Let us see option 4, which is AWS Step Functions. It is a serverless workflow service that can easily integrate with AWS Glue and Lambda, requiring minimal development effort. Okay, so this is your correct answer, which is option number 4. Yeah. Hope you understood this. Let us proceed to next question. A company hires experienced specialists to analyze the customer service calls attended by its call center representatives. Now the company wants to move to AWS Cloud and is looking at an automated solution to analyze customer service calls for sentiment analysis and security. As solutions architect, which of the following solutions would you recommend? So basically you have how many options? 4 options. Let us see them. This is your option 1. This is your option 2. This is your option 3. And this is your option 4. So I know these are somewhat a little bit exaggerated options, big options. So I want you to take some more time if you want. Okay. Take your time. I'll provide you 10 seconds itself. So your timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, use Kinesis data streams to read the audio files and Amazon Alexa to convert them into text. Kinesis data analytics can be used to analyze these files, and Amazon QuickSight can be used to visualize and display the output. Okay, so this is incorrect. Why? Because Amazon Alexa is a virtual assistant, not a text-to-speech service, and Kinesis data analytics is not designed for sentiment analysis. Right? So this is the wrong answer. Option 3, which is use Kinesis data streams to read the audio files and machine learning, which is ML algorithms, to convert the audio files and into text and run customer sentiment analysis. Option 3, which is use Kinesis data streams to read the audio files and machine learning ML algorithms to convert the audio files into text and run customer sentiment analysis, is incorrect. Why? Because using ML algorithms to convert audio to text is complex and not a managed service. So this goes into your wrong answer. Option 4, which is use Amazon Transcribe to convert audio files into text, and Amazon QuickSight to run analysis on these text files to understand the underlying patterns, visualize and display them onto user dashboards for human analysis. So this option is incorrect. Why? Because Amazon QuickSight is a visualization tool, not an analysis tool, and can't run analysis on text files. Okay, so this goes into your wrong answer. How will I show you? I will show you like this. So you can see this is the wrong answer. Okay, so option 1, let us see now. Use Amazon Transcribe to convert audio files into text, and Amazon Athena to understand the underlying customer sentiments. So Amazon Transcribe can convert audio files to text, and Amazon Athena can analyze the text for sentiment analysis, making it a suitable solution. Okay, so this is why the answer of this question is option number 1, which is this one. Okay, this is going to be the last question of this video. So let us begin. A retail company has connected its on-premises data center to the AWS cloud via AWS Direct Connect. The company wants to be able to resolve DNS queries for any resource in the on-premises network from the AWS VPC, and also resolve any DNS queries for resources in AWS VPC from the on-premises network. As a solutions architect, which of the following solutions can be combined to address the given use case? So you have to select 2 options from I guess 5 options are there. Yes, from these 5 options. Okay, option 1 is this one. This is your option 2. This is your option 3. This is your option 4, and this is your option 5. Okay, got it? Now I know this question is a little bit, the options are quite big. You might need some time to read them also. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to provide you 10 seconds only, but if you want, you can pause the video and take your time. Okay, so your timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. So option 3, which is create an outbound endpoint on Route 53 resolver, and then DNS resolvers on the on-premises network can forward the DNS queries to Route 53 resolver via this endpoint. So this option is incorrect, because an outbound endpoint cannot receive queries from on-premises. Okay, so wrong answer. Option 4, create an inbound endpoint on Route 53 resolver, and then Route 53 resolver can conditionally forward queries to resolvers on the on-premises network via this endpoint. Is incorrect, because an inbound endpoint can't forward queries to on-premises. So wrong answer. Option 5, I guess. Yes. Create a universal endpoint on Route 53 resolver, and then Route 53 resolver can receive and forward queries to resolvers on the on-premises network via this endpoint. So this option is incorrect, because there is no universal endpoint in Route 53 resolver. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Yes, I think you can see now that this is a wrong answer. Now first option we will see, which is create an inbound endpoint on Route 53 resolver, and then DNS resolvers on the on-premises network can forward DNS queries to Route 53 resolver via this endpoint. So this allows on-premises DNS resolvers to forward queries to Route 53 resolver, resolving AWS VPC resources. So this is one correct answer, and create an outbound endpoint on Route 53 resolver, and then Route 53 resolver can conditionally forward queries to resolvers on the on-premises network via this endpoint. So this allows Route 53 resolver to forward queries to on-premises DNS resolvers, resolving on-premises resources. Okay, so at the end, your option 1 and option 2 are the correct answers, and option 3, 4, 5 are the wrong answers. Okay, so congratulations, that's it for today's video. You have successfully answered 5 questions today. Let me know your score down below in the comments, and Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you are new or if you haven't yet done it. We have more questions, set of questions like these in our channel, which you can go and visit. We even have for AWS Cloud Practitioner exam and as well as Solutions Architect. More are there, more questions are there, so you can go and visit our channel to see more of them. That's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next session with some new set of questions. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. Thank you and bye bye.